You worked hard for that degree. 4, maybe 5 years of studying, projects, and sleepless nights. Because everyone told you, once you graduate, you'll be set. But now it's 2025. And somehow that promise feels broken. You look around. People with the same degree as you, struggling to find jobs. Others with no degree at all are building businesses, landing remote gigs, or getting paid in dollars. And you start to wonder, did I miss something? The truth? You didn't miss anything. The world just changed. Faster than your college curriculum ever could. AI can write, design, translate, and even analyze data. Companies don't just want employees with diplomas. They want problem solvers. People who can adapt, learn new tools, and combine skills in ways machines can't. And that's where the new Filipino career advantage begins. The skill stack. So what exactly is a skill stack? Think of it like your personal career combo meal. It's not just one skill. It's the unique mix of abilities that makes you valuable, creative, and hard to replace. It's not about being the best in one thing. It's about being good enough in multiple things that work together. Because in 2025, your advantage isn't depth alone. It's combination. Let's take an example. Imagine a Filipino graphic designer. She's great at visuals, but she also learns marketing strategy and AI design tools. Suddenly, she's not just a designer. She's a creative strategist who understands business outcomes. Or think of a teacher who learns copywriting in Canva. Now she can design online courses or run education-based content online. That's skill stacking. Using what you already know, then adding layers that multiply your value. And here's the best part. You already have a starting stack. You just haven't named it yet. Every Filipino professional carries a mix of core skills and hidden skills learned from years of navigating work and life. Maybe you're a call center agent who's actually an amazing communicator. And with a bit of training, you could move into client success or marketing. Maybe you're a finance associate who understands numbers and storytelling. Perfect for business analytics or consulting. You don't need to start from zero. You just need to start stacking. Now let's talk about why this matters in 2025. Because the Filipino job market is shifting. Again, traditional jobs are shrinking. Remote work, freelance projects, and hybrid careers are growing. AI tools are replacing repetitive tasks, but they're also opening new ones. The question is no longer what's your degree. It's what combination of skills can you bring to the table. That's the new career advantage. And it's 100% buildable. Let's break it down into something simple. I call this the freedom stack. The 3-skill formula for future-proofing your career. Number 1, core skills. Your main craft. This is your professional foundation. Marketing, teaching, finance, design, IT, anything you're trained in. Number 2, power skills. These are human skills, communication, leadership, problem solving, emotional intelligence. They turn your technical know-how into influence. And number 3, leverage skills. The tools and systems that multiply your output. Things like AI, data analytics, automation, or digital platforms. When you stack these 3 together, core power and leverage, you become the kind of Filipino professional who's AI-proof, recession-proof, and opportunity-ready. You stop chasing job openings and start creating your own. Now, here's what most people get wrong. They think building a skill stack means collecting random certifications. No, it's not about hoarding courses. It's about strategic combination. It's asking, what skill can I add that amplifies what I already have? Because stacking isn't linear. It's exponential. One new skill can unlock 10 new possibilities. Let's say you're a marketing professional who learns data analytics. Suddenly, you're not just creative. You're data-driven. Or you're a writer who learns AI prompting. Now your content output triples. That's the power of a skill stack. And here's the beautiful thing. You don't need permission to start. You don't need a master's degree or to quit your job. You just need curiosity and consistency. Because every hour you spend learning a new tool, practicing a soft skill, or exploring a side project, that's you, future-proofing your career. In 2025, the people who win are the ones who treat learning like breathing. Not something you do once for a diploma, but something you do for life. You might be thinking, but I'm too old to start over. You're not starting over. You're compounding. Every experience you've had, every mistake you've made, they're ingredients in your stack. That's what makes it yours. AI can copy information, but it can't copy perspective. It can't copy your story. And that's why Filipino professionals who embrace the skill stack mindset will thrive. Because we know how to blend creativity, empathy, and adaptability. Those are skills machines can't replace. Let's bring this closer to home. I once talked to a former call center agent who was burned out. She thought she had no future beyond customer service. But she took a course in social media management, then learned Canva and basic copywriting. 6 months later, she landed a remote marketing role, earning 3 times her old salary. Not because of a degree, because she stacked her skills. That's the Filipino advantage: resourcefulness, self-learning, and grit. We just need to learn how to use them strategically. Here's your challenge. List your top 5 skills right now. Everything, from your job, hobbies, and even side hustles. Then ask yourself, what's missing? What can I add that turns these into something more powerful? If you're good at writing, maybe learn storytelling and branding. If you're good with numbers, maybe learn visualization or AI tools. If you're a teacher, learn instructional design or e-learning tech. That's how you build your skill stack. And here's the mindset shift you need to make. Stop asking, what job should I apply for? Start asking, what combination of skills can I create opportunities with? Because your goal isn't just employment, it's leverage. When you have leverage, you can work on your own terms. You can negotiate better pay, pivot industries, or even start something of your own. The goal of the Freedom Years isn't just to survive work. It's to design a life where work serves you. So if you're watching this and thinking, I feel stuck, remember, you're not behind. You're just between stacks. Your next level won't come from a new company or title. It'll come from the new combination of skills you decide to build next. The world has changed. AI will keep evolving. But no algorithm can replace someone who can learn, adapt, and connect ideas like you can. That's your real degree, the one you build with experience, curiosity, and courage. So go ahead, start stacking. Because in 2025, your career won't be defined by what you studied, but by how you evolve. Your degree got you started. Your skill stack will take you further. And that is the new Filipino career advantage. If you want to start building your own skill stack, I've put together a free guide to help you map your core, power, and leverage skills, so you can see exactly where your next opportunity might come from. Just email freedomyearsproject@gmail.com with the subject line, "Send me the skill stack guide." And tell us in the comments, what's one skill you're planning to add to your stack this year? Let's build this movement of Filipino professionals who are future-proof, AI-proof, and freedom-ready. Because your next big break won't come from your degree. It'll come from your skill stack.